What's going on, everybody? We're here in West Myanmar, and we have a very uncommon thing that has happened to one of our clients. Variable speed Pentair VS pumps. Let me show you right now. Alright, so the client went ahead and he took everything apart because he heard a big, huge knocking going on inside of the pool pump, and his pool was no longer operating. So he took everything apart and he called me, and this is what we found. So as you can tell, you may think the customer took off the impeller, but there's a shaft. The shaft is right here. The shaft of the motor completely snapped right off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the pump housing, and we're going to cut that out, and we're going to see what we can do. Either we'll have to drill up a new hole for the water temp sensor there, and rebuild the front and back again. Did elect to go back with the Pentair Intelliflo VSF pump. This is the new upgraded model, and we will be installing high temp unions for the suction side and the discharge side of the pump. Working again. Everything that we repaired 100% perfect, but we found this little problem. Now I gotta repair this. Never a dull moment.